Hi, in this video we are going to see how we can change the coordinate reference system for a given vector layer. Now I have this map of Madhya Pradesh indicating the districts of Madhya Pradesh. Now the objective is I want to calculate the area of district of Madhya Pradesh. So I want to calculate the area of each of this polygon. We have already seen the process of calculating a area so I can go into the attribute table by using the feature called open field calculator. I can calculate the area, but the question is whether that the calculated area will be true area or not, because we have already seen before calculating an area we need to see what is the coordinate reference system of this vector data file. I can go back to the properties. I can see what is the CRS. The here CRS is EPSG4326 with the datum as WGS84, and it is a geographic one, so it is imagining Earth as a curved surface. So therefore on the curved surface I cannot calculate the area. Of course I can run the operations, I will get some numbers, but those numbers will not represent the area of each district. So before calculation of area I have to reproject this system into the uh, I have to reproject this layer into the projected coordinate reference system, and we'll see how to do that. Before that we need to also see how to bring on the panel toolbar, because here onwards you will be working with various tools and therefore you need to use a panel toolbar. There are multiple ways by which the panel toolbar can be activated. One way is I can go to the view, I can go to the panel, and there is a called as the processing toolbox. I want to so you need to activate the processing toolbox so that you can perform several processes. You can see it over here. Okay, I will just turn this on, and with the moment I turn this on the processing toolbox will appear. So in my case it is over here. Okay, so in your case, since I have already set this over here, so it has appeared over here. In your case it might be somewhere else. That's just you need to dock it appropriately wherever you want. You can put it over here, you can put it over here, you can put it anywhere depending on your convenience. I can also activate the processing toolbar. I can just switch this off by clicking over here, so it is no more. Now I can also activate the processing toolbar by clicking on this icon. This is says toolbox. The shortcut is Control Alt T, as you can see over here. Okay, okay. I can just click on it. The toolbox is here, so the toolbox is over here. So I will use a tool which is called the reproject, because I want to. So I will type reproject over here. Once I type it, it gives you the matching tools which are available in the toolbox. So here you generally type the type of operation you want to perform. I want to reproject this layer, so I just type reproject, and the option available over here is reproject the layer. So I will double click on it. So this is the toolbox window appears, and here I'm now going to do the operation. Here I need to select the input layer. By default the input layer is MP district, because that is the only one layer available in the panel box, layer panel. Now I have to select the target CRS. So what will be the target coordinate reference system? So I want to reproject it to the, let us say I want to project it to UTM. The UTM is the one which we will be using frequently in this course. So I will change the CRS. I will say I can select the CRS from here. I want to select a UTM, so I will type over here UTM, and I know it's UTM 43. So this is the reference system which I am going to use. WGS 84, UTM zone 43, and N is for north. And you can see if you remember the CRS which we learned before, so this coordinate reference system is representing this section of the world which is highlighted with red. Just I can just zoom in so that you can see clearly. Yeah, so I am selecting UTM zone 43N. For example, if you are operating in this part of the world, you can select UTM 44 north. For a time being, I am selecting UTM zone 43N. I will say OK. Okay, then have here I have to give the name of the reprojected layer and also the location. So I will click over here. I can create a temporary layer, or I can create a permanent layer. It is always better to have create a permanent layer. So I will say save to file, and it will again I will take it to the classwork folder where I work. Okay, so I will say mp utm. So this is a UTM coordinate reference system, so I will say mp utm. uh, Let me check it again, because I want to clear it as a shape file. So I will say .shp also, and I will say mp underscore utm, because I want it as a shape file. So I have to select it as a .shp, which is the option is over here. So mp utm I have given the name. So you need to just check what we have done over here. So I have selected the layer. The selection is by default because there is only one layer in a layer panel. If there are several layers, then you have to select the layer from the layer panel. Then I set the coordinate reference system of UTM-43N, and then I have given the location of a new file and the file name as well as the file type. Then I will say run. So it will perform the operation, and then I will can close it. Now I can see this is a new layer has appeared, which is with the name MPUTM. I will just deactivate the earlier layer. Now I can see the properties of the layer. Now you can see it is EPSG 32643 WJS84 UTM zone 43. So it is a reprojected layer, so the coordinate reference system has changed. Okay. There is also another way of doing the same thing. Let's see it. So this is my original layer with uh, a geographic coordinate reference system. So there is another way. If I do not want to use a reproject as a tool, then I can just simply use the another way. Just right click and say export save feature as. Just click on over here. So we have earlier also we have worked with this window before. So I can give a new file name. I will say mp. This time I will give utm2 because utm is already there. I will save it, and here the option is of CRS. So we have never used this option in this window. We used to keep the default CRS, but here I can now change the CRS. I can go over here. I can again type the UTM-43N, but now you can see once you use any coordinate reference system, which gets selected over here, which as a recently used coordinate reference system. Okay, so since I have used it recently, then I don't need to search it. I can just click over here and select the same, and then I will say OK. Okay, so I have given the file name, file path, and the CRS, and then I will say OK. Okay, so this new layer has appeared, MPUTM2. I can just go back and check the properties, and I can see over here the CRS is EPSG 32643 UTM-43N. So we have successfully changed the coordinate reference system from the geographic reference system to the projected coordinate reference system, and that to UTM zone 43N. So now I have got two layers which are with the projected coordinate reference system. Now I can perform the operation of a calculation of area and calculate the area of each of these polygon. uh, okay. So in this video we have learned how to reproject a layer by using two methods. One is the using a toolbox with the option called reproject layer, or other another just right click and save as, export and save as, where we can change the uh, coordinate reference system. Okay, thank you.